Hello and welcome back. Okay, today we have another challenge lock. Now this is a challenge lock that is pinned up by none other than Texas Jim. It's a LSDA AR4 key. There's the button on the key. This is perfectly acceptable for a challenge lock. Obviously the lock works absolutely superbly, as you'd expect from a Texas Jim challenge lock. This lock was sent to me by the Late Night Lock Picker. Chris, thank you ever so much for this lock and all the rest of the locks you sent me. So I just nudged the camera there. I'm having an absolute ball with them all. They're absolutely fantastic. So let's see what it takes to get into this today. Okay, let's just zoom in for you. Okay, as you can see, it's all locked up. I'm just going to release that slightly. That's better. All locked up. Okay, so I'm going to use top of the keyway with a 50,000 Sparrows tension wrench, and I'm going to go in with a DeForest diamond. Okay, you can start at the back of the lock, light tension, and let's see where it goes. Okay, so I've got a little click out of 6. Okay, a little click out of 5. Okay, nothing out of 4. 3, 2. Start again. Okay, 6. I'll click out of 1. I'll click out of 2. I'll click out of 3. Didn't really need that, did we? Okay, let's start again. Okay, to the back of the lock. Okay, a little click and I'm moving out of 6. Nothing out of 5. Nothing out of 4. A little click out of 3. Nothing out of 1. Click out of 2. Click out of 3. Nothing out of 4. Nothing out of 5. Nothing out of 6. Nothing out of 1. Nothing out of 2. A little click out of 3 and a little bit of counter. Couple of clicks out of 3. Okay. Okay, what have I overset? Back to 1. Okay, got some good clicks out of 1. Nothing out of 2. Nothing out of 3. 4. Click out of 5. Oh, I thought we were open then. Oh, where am I going? That's the tension wrench there. Okay. So what's holding us up? Okay, nothing there. Nothing there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fall into a massive full set there. Okay. jammed up on something. A T-pin or something, I would have thought. Get that count off of 5 possibly. Gonna ease 5 in. Back to 6. And we are open. We are open off a 6. Drop my tension wrench with the excitement. Just make sure we are open. Yes, we're open. Oh, superb. 5.5 minutes. Well, that's what you get for a Texas Gym challenge lock, isn't it? Okay, let's zoom out. Okay, let's see if we can get this camera down like this. This is good. Get the light out of the way. Okay, let's see what's inside. Get that light out of the way, that's good. Okay, let's get this clip off the back. Make sure you're in frame. A nice easy clip to remove. I like that, that's good. They're not all like that, as you know. Okay, let's get my beaten up old shim. Get that in there. Let's see what I'm going to do. I'm just going to mark the front. Okay, get the shim in. Okay, that's good. Get the follower, that is disappeared. Where's my follower? There we go, back in its correct place. Okay, where's the pins? Pins are to me. Okay, that's good. So I don't know if you can see that. We've got threading on 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and counter milling on 1. Okay, so pin 1 is a spool, pin 2 is another spool, pin 3 is a serrated spool, pin 4 is a standard, maybe with a taper on the end, pin 5 double spool, pin 6 is a spool with a serrated on it. Let's get them around the right way. So you can still see everything there. Okay, so that's 1, which is like a nice deep spool in 2, double spool in 3, a standard in 4, and a deep spool with some sharp edges on 5, and a nice deep spool in 6. Okay, let's get this. Let's see what's in the Bible. Just spin that around there like that. Okay, so we've got no spring. There's no spring in there. Maybe it's stuck in there. So look in there. That's not coming out. I'll have to work on that one in a minute. 2. It's like a serrated spool coming that way. 3. It's a really nice serrated spool in 3. 2, it's got a copper spring. 3 is a steel spring. 4, that way. It's a really, really nice spooled serrated pin, and that way. And a little copper spring. Go the other way. Okay, 6 is a spool with like a little T-pinny thing at the back. And then like a double spool in 5. Brass spring in 6. A little tiny wee copper spring in 5. Let's see what we can do with this pin 1, which seems to be stuck in there. Okay, we've got it out. Superb. Okay. It's like a double serrated with a double spool with a serrated on one side. Went that way with a copper spring. Okay, let's get you zoomed into that. There you go. Okay. So we have a spool in 1, a spool in 2, a double spool serrated in 3, a standard in 4, a beautiful double serrated spool in 5, and a big spool in 6. It's like a serrated barrel pin in 1, double serrated in 2, a single serrated spool, maybe barrel pin in 3, a beautiful sharp serrated spool in 4, an awesome big spool, like a double spool in 5, and like a barrel pin with a serrated, with quite a sharp edge in 6. And then the springs, copper, copper, steel, copper, copper, copper. Just going back to the core again. If you can see it there, you've got counter milling on 1 and then threading 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go, the Texas Gym challenge lock. There you go, just have a look at the key there as well. Absolutely superb, fantastic lock. Chris, really appreciate you sending it over to me. I'll get this pin back and sent off to the next person. Thanks ever so much. See you next time. Bye.